You have learned that stories that you read often have characters, setting, and then there's usually a problem and a solution. A problem is something that they face that is hard, and the solution is how they solve the problem. So today we're going to talk about how sometimes stories have more than one problem. Let's think about the book Stella Luna. We've read the book Stella Luna, and remember she's the bat, and remember what happened to Stella Luna when the owl attacked her mom? Yes, she got separated from her mother, and she landed in the nest with the birds. That was her first problem. She got separated from her mother. And then she landed in the nest, and then she got hungry, and they gave her bugs, and she did not like bugs. But she learned to eat them. So that was another problem she faced. But the solution is she ate the bugs anyways, and she lived. And then they went to fly. Remember, she went to fly with the birds, and she faced another problem. She could not see because bats only see at night, and it was hard for her in the daytime to fly. The other thing I remember is that she uh, tried to sleep upside down, and they did not, and they told her that was wrong, so she'd learn to sleep the way they did. But remember, that was another problem. So those are lots of problems that Stella Luna faced, not just one. The other story, as you see there in the poster in the middle, is about Verdi. Verdi was the snake that he was a yellow baby snake python, and he did not want to turn green like those other snakes, but of course he grew up and he did turn green even though he didn't want to. So that was one problem he had. Then he was down in the water, remember, and there was a big fish that came and tried to eat him, and but he got away from it. So that was the solution. Um, and so a lot of times books have more than one problem. So today I want you to pick a book to read. Notice if the characters have just one problem or more than one problem. Place a sticky note or a marker on the page that shows the problem, and then share it with your classmate or your parent. And down below there on the practice, it says, what was the problem? I would like you to type down there, what is the problem? And then, what was the solution? So go ahead and type, how did they fix the problem? That is the solution.